Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the Nike Dunk Lows in the Kentucky and Syracuse colorway. These are set to drop tomorrow, which is the 14th of March, and the retail price is 140 Australian dollars. Now with the Syracuse colorway in particular, these were actually scheduled to drop exactly a month ago, so on the 14th of February. Every single store that was meant to release them here in Australia posted an update the night before the release or the morning of the release saying that it was postponed, and it is finally dropping tomorrow alongside the Kentucky colorway. Now these are both original colorways from the Nike College Color program that was established in 1985, and the program was centered around 12 key schools, and obviously Syracuse and Kentucky were part of that program. And Nike is actually celebrating their 35th anniversary of Dunks this year, and as you guys know, there has been a lot of hype dunks that has been released this year alone. So, you know, earlier this year we had the Strange Love Nike collab. Wait, I actually have it right next to me. It is over here. So we had the Strange Love collab as well as the Travis as well as the Travis Scott dunks that released recently as well. Dunks are definitely making a comeback, so I think we can all expect to see a few more cool dunks releasing throughout this year. But today we are going to be talking about the Syracuse colorway as well as the Kentucky colorway. So let's just start off with this Syracuse one. So it just comes in this regular red and white Nike box, and on the box here it says Nike Dunk Low SP. SP stands for Special Project, and the official colorway is called White and Orange Blaze. I really like the bold color blocking of this sneaker. The upper is constructed with a nice leather material. It is very soft. They do feel very comfortable on feet, and in terms of sizing, the dunks definitely fit true to size. I got this in a men's US 6 and they fit just fine. But I have to say though, I got the Kentuckys in a 6.5 and they feel fine too. So I've come to the conclusion that I probably don't like my sneakers to fit very snug, but they are true to size if you guys are wondering. Back to Syracuse colorway, like I said, I think the color blocking is great. The orange is very vibrant, very bright. These are a perfect summer sneaker. It does come laced with orange laces, but if you're not into those orange laces, they have also provided a set of spare white laces, and for some reason on the back of these spare laces it says Nike SB. But these are not SBs though, because if you look at the tongue of the sneaker, it just has a regular tongue, whereas usually with the SB dunks, they come with this padded tongue, or also known as a fat tongue. I feel like for skateboarding purposes, like this gives a lot more cushioning, but as I mentioned before guys, I don't know anything about skateboarding, so if this information is wrong, I'm so sorry. But yeah, these just come with the regular tongue, so I don't know why on the laces it says Nike SB, but I don't know. Anyway, less about the laces and more about the sneaker. Yeah, you can see that the outsole is the same orange that matches the rest of the sneaker. I really like how simple the colors are on the sneaker. It's just two colorways, and I think it works really, really well. The sock liner is orange as well as the insole of the sneaker. And yeah, on feet, these are just really comfortable, and I feel like these will be my new staple in my sneaker collection. So moving on to the Kentucky colorway, on the box here it just says again Nike Dunk Low SP, and the official colorway is called White and Varsity Royal. And yeah, I feel like again really nice bold color blocking, very simple. These do come laced with the royal blue shoelace as well. If you're not into that, you can swap it out for the white laces that is included in the box. With the sock liner for this one though, it is a white sock liner, and the insole is also white. The only thing that I find with white sock liners is that if you do wear like darker colored socks, it does sort of like stain the liner a little bit. You guys know what I mean, right? Like when your sneakers are white on the inside with wear, it does look a little bit dirty over time. But again, like no one is looking at the inside of the sneaker except for me, so it's really not big of a deal. But that's just something I noticed and I thought I would bring to your attention. Looking at the outside of the sneaker, you can see that it has that same royal blue colorway that matches the rest of the sneaker. Now again, I don't have too much to say about both of these except that they are really nice, super comfortable on feet, like very wearable, perfect summer sneaker. Actually no, perfect for like any time really. The upper is constructed with this really nice soft leather, so I have no complaints about that. The retail price is 140 Australian dollars, so really there's not too much I can say about that. It is very affordable and very reasonable. Dunks are definitely making a comeback this year, so expect to see a lot more dunks released by Nike, which I'm really excited about. So I mean, if you miss out on this pair, I feel like you shouldn't be too cut because I feel like there's going to be way more releases throughout this year. Also, I'm not too sure if Nike's going to be releasing the other colorways that was part of the Nike college color program. I feel like we can maybe expect to see a few other dunk lows throughout this year. But yeah, I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below whether you prefer the Syracuse colorway or the Kentucky colorway. I mean, it's really hard for me to pick because I like them both a lot. Obviously very easy to style. With my on-feet video, I just styled it with some baggy jeans and I feel like it is quite a look. But again, I feel like there's no right or wrong way to wear a sneaker. You wear your sneakers the way you want to wear them. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you guys are staying safe and staying healthy with this whole coronavirus that's going on at the moment. I don't know what's going on. Low-key kind of freaking out a little bit, so just make sure you guys are like staying healthy and just, you know, just be well. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So today's video is going to be about the Nike, I keep wanting to say Nike SB Dunk, it's not an SB! The Syracuse and Kentucky. These are just the regular, these are just dunks, not SB dunks. Where am I going with this? I don't know. The Syracuse colorway. Now this is set to drop to this was actually scheduled. I can't speak. Syracuse. I really hope I'm saying that correctly. I watched so many videos to make sure that I'm pronouncing it probably. I can't talk today, guys.